Click to start the massage chair and the breathing light will light up. Click Auto Mode to switch between 6 auto modes. Relax Mode relieves tension and stress and promotes a state of deep relaxation. Neck Mode focuses on the shoulders and neck, using kneading and the cup pressure techniques to relieve tension. Sleep Mode promotes deep relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy a restful rest. Stretch Mode relieves muscle tension and makes the body more relaxed. Strong Mode provides a powerful and intense massage suitable for those seeking deep muscle relaxation. Targets the waist area, relieves tension and discomfort, and provides focused relaxation. Click Kneading and Knocking to switch massage techniques and enter manual mode. Adjust the intensity of back massage. Turn on the neck massage function. Adjust the intensity of neck massage. Click to switch the massage duration. Each click increases by 5 minutes. Press and hold massage up to move the back massage position upward. Press and hold massage down to move the back massage position downward. Press and hold neck up to move the neck massage position upward. Press and hold neck down to move the neck massage position downward. Click Heater to turn the heating function of the lower back and calf on or off. Click 0G to turn on or off zero gravity mode. Click Foot Roller to turn on or off the foot rollers. Click Foot Intensity to adjust the massage intensity of the foot rollers. Press and hold back rise and back down to adjust the backrest up or down. Click Air Auto to adjust all airbags to work automatically. Click Air Shoulder to turn the shoulder airbags on or off. Click Air Arm to turn on or off the arm airbags. Click Air Hip to turn the hip airbags on or off. Click Air Calf to turn the calf airbags on or off. Click Air Intensity to adjust the airbag pressure. Long press to turn off the massage chair and reset it.